Hello everyone, today we are going on a journey to discover the fascinating flavors of cultures around the world that will warm you up on winter days. Every culture, every country in the world has its own unique hot drink. Some are symbols of hospitality, some are a meditative experience, and some simply energize your day. If you are ready to discover these fascinating flavors of cultures, let's get started. Before we get to those hot drinks, don't forget to subscribe and like our channel if you want this kind of content to come. Turkish coffee. With its rich history and unique preparation method, Turkish coffee is not just a beverage, but a part of culture. This unique flavor, made by boiling finely ground coffee beans with water and sugar, offers a different experience with its taste and presentation. Cooked in a traditional coffee pot, Turkish coffee is the best accompaniment to a pleasant conversation with its foam, intense aroma, and Turkish delight. With its unique taste and preparation ritual, it has become a worldwide icon. Try Turkish coffee to discover traditional Turkish hospitality and embark on a delicious journey with a cup of coffee. Matcha tea. Matcha tea is a drink that has spread from Japanese culture to the world, attracting attention with its powerful benefits and unique taste. In addition to its bright green color, it leaves a unique mark on the palate with its slightly sweet and slightly bitter taste. Traditionally, the powder obtained from ground green tea leaves is mixed with water or milk, adding energy and vitality to the body while offering a calming effect. A natural elixir of health and energy, matcha is the perfect choice to energize your day. Espresso. Espresso, the most intense and powerful representative of Italy's coffee culture, is prepared by brewing finely ground coffee beans with hot water under high pressure in a short time. Offering a short and intense drinking experience, this coffee has become indispensable for coffee lovers with its rich aroma and strong taste. Espresso is also the base for other coffee drinks such as latte, cappuccino, and macchiato, so you get the essence of coffee in every sip. A ritual for coffee lovers, espresso offers a fresh start to every moment with its strong taste and stimulating effect. Matcha Tea. Matcha Tea, an indispensable South American drink, has attracted worldwide attention in recent years. This unique drink, prepared by carefully drying and brewing green mate leaves, strengthens immunity, boosts your energy, and provides mental clarity with its rich vitamin and mineral content. Matcha Tea helps you stay energized and healthy all day long with its relaxing and invigorating effect. Glögg. And finally, Glögg is a traditional hot drink for cold winter days in Northern Europe. Made with red wine, spices, orange, and sugar, this hot drink warms the body and invigorates the spirit with its sweet and spicy aromas. It offers a pleasant drinking experience that you can share with your loved ones, especially on cold winter evenings. Especially popular in Scandinavian countries, Glögg has become a winter tradition. During the Christmas and New Year period, it offers the opportunity to enjoy the taste of winter. Glögg will warm not only your body, but also your soul with its perfect combination of warmth and spice. Thank you for joining us to discover the world's most iconic hot drinks. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and follow us so you don't miss our new videos. See you soon. Goodbye.